Hey, Shelby here. Welcome to my channel. So, awkward moment, I may or may not have deleted my intro for this video, but I'm still going to share these great recommendations for you for the upcoming Sephora VIB sale. I will have all the information and the details about the sale in my notes below, but let's just hop into the video and I'll show you how I got this look and what I can't wait to get my hands on.
So first things first, we're going to start with skin. I have a number of skin products that I really love and I'm planning on stocking up on. So I'm planning on stocking up on the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, which I'm actually about to use right now. This is an incredible moisturizer. It smells fantastic and I feel like it gives your skin this really awesome layer of moisture and of I would even say glow. It's not greasy. It's a good weight. The only thing I think I wish it had was probably sunscreen because there's no sunscreen in this product. I'm going to go in with my primer. This is the Huda Complexion Perfection primer, which if you haven't tried this, do it. It's really good. It feels good. It looks good. I don't believe that it controls oil, which if you watch my channel, you know is not a huge concern for me. Oil doesn't really bother me much, or doesn't come up for me, but smoothing out pores and wrinkles and things like that is definitely attractive. The next item that I am really interested in that is a skincare product is the, let's see, I want to read it appropriately. It is the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiant Serum. I've tried a couple of the Safari items. I definitely have the cream with, not the cream, the rose gold infused essence. I think that's a really awesome product. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. And I like the way it smells and I like the way it looks. I think it adds a really nice glow to your skin. I think it's a really nice thing to buy. But it's also just like its cousin, this liquid glass radiance serum that's supposed to smooth and give your skin this really perfect, like kind of glass-like quality, almost as if you were wearing an Instagram filter, literally. I'm going in with the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit in the shade 5. The Farsali serum is it's $54, just out of pocket, which usually is what we do with makeup. But yeah, it's a nice pretty penny. It's also supposed to be a really nice product, so I'm gonna give that a shot. That's one of the things I plan on buying. The other item, skincare related item that I'm interested in getting is the Fresh Rose Deep, Rose Deep Hydration Sleeping Mask. I'm literally reading them off the thing because I want to make sure I give you the right names. And it is a duo sleeping moisturizer and a mask moisture to lock in the moisture. And you put on one layer and then there's a little split container. And on the other side is the moisturizer you put on top to kind of like lock it in and infuse it into your skin. And y'all know me, I'm somebody who returns stuff. So if I don't like it, it will go back. But I also don't mind getting stuff on sale, knowing that I can also return it. I like having my options, folks. I like options. The next skin related product I think I'm also really interested in, there's two of them actually. One is the Origins Ginseng Gel Moisturizer. It is a really great moisturizer. It smells really good and it has this brightness, this like vitamin C, orangey, it feels good going on. It's super moisturizing and it smells really good. So I think I'll also be getting that from Sephora. There's a lot of skin related stuff on my list just because skincare can be really expensive. Actually, it usually is expensive. And while I do have a number of drugstore brands that I like, skincare from Sephora, there's just so many good brands and I really love them. I'm working through a nice little set from Drunk Elephant, but once I finish that, then I'll consider buying it. I usually don't buy it until I finish my sample because samples to me are key. They let me know that my skin will be fine with it and then also that I will continue to enjoy it. The other skin item is the Sol de Janeiro it's a Samba two-step kit. It's care actually for your feet. It's a exfoliant and a moisturizer. You all have probably never seen my feet, but I don't have slave feet, but like they are challenged. And so they need extra love. And so I will be giving them that. as soon as I have the opportunity. I finished my brows, and even though I didn't use it today, the Anastasia Dip Brow Tinted Gel is a really good one. I would grab this. I am in the shade, let's see, dark brown, but you pick your shade based on your skin tone. I think it's a really great product. I'm gonna go ahead and gel my brows up with the Clear Brow Gel just to keep them in place for the day. I'm gonna keep going with my base. I'm gonna go in with the Glam Glow Glow Starter. I'm in the VIB sale. I'm planning on grabbing the NARS Radiant Boost base. I've been looking at it and considering getting it, and since I realize now that it is it's limited edition, I really want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it. It's something that you add into your foundation or on just directly onto your skin. It adds a glisten and a glow to the base of your makeup. You could also add it to foundation, which is something that I've done with the Glam Glow before, but it's not, I don't think it's exactly the way you're supposed to use it. So I'm looking for, you know, to try something new. For foundation, there actually are two foundations that I think I have had my eyes on. One is actually there's three. Wait, there's three. And the three that I'm looking at them during the VIB sale because they are luxury brands and I don't want to pay full price. I'm being so cheap. I don't want to pay full price. So this is an opportunity for me to get a really good deal. The brands that I'm looking at, and this is a Marc Jacobs 24-Hour Shameless Youth Foundation. I want to say Shameless Skin, something like that. Really nice, lightweight, really good for summer foundation. But the ones that I'm looking at the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. Luminous Skin, I think is it Luminous Silk? Yeah, Luminous Silk Foundation. I'm looking at the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I'm looking at the Dior Forever Foundation. I've been wearing the Dior Forever Foundation as a sample, and I'm really, really into it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger on that. The Giorgio Armani I tried a while ago, and I really, really liked it, but I don't recall why I didn't buy it aside from the price point. I think that joker's like 78 bucks. Next, I'm gonna go in with my concealers. This is MAC NW50 in the 24-Hour Studio Fix Foundation. You can't get this at Sephora, but one of the ones that the concealers that I have been looking at, the lighter colored concealers, is the Jouer concealer. I've been interested in trying that, and also the self-setting concealer from Makeup Forever. They're not like high ticket items, but they are things that I've been looking at and thinking, hey, I'd really like to try that. So I'll probably go ahead and pick those up. Going in with my Huda Beauty in the shade Peanut Butter. All right. Happy, 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 joy, joy, joy. I was thinking about putting a little bit more brightness into my eye, but I think I'm actually okay with leaving it there. There is one powder that I want to use or I want to check out at the VIB sale, and as I'm getting ready to do my own powder, I will say shout out to Fenty. If you have not tried the Fenty powder, do it. But the other powder that I've been thinking about trying is the Dior Forever and Ever setting powder. It's supposed to be sheer when providing mattifying and oil control, but not apparently creating any flashback. And I was watching Nima Tang's channel. I was watching Nima Tang's channel and she was singing its praises. So I'm like, okay, I'll try it. So I'm gonna pick that up. And it's Dior, so you know it's gonna be expensive. But that also means it's probably gonna be very good quality. So I support it. I'm gonna very, very lightly set my foundation actually because I'm in Phoenix and it's hot out here in these streets. So I'm gonna do a really light dusting of this in the center of my face. And this is the ColourPop No Filter powder. And then I'm going to, but I'm not gonna bake. And then I may do a little bit of setting on the outside of my face. I haven't decided yet. And very, very lightly, like nothing crazy. I'm gonna take a very, very light powder brush. I'm gonna dip it very, very lightly, like shaking off most of it, and just press it on the perimeter of my face just to make sure that this doesn't move. But No, that is it. Because I want to have a little bit of glow because I know this weather is going to make me sweat anyways. And I'm not trying to be out here like, I don't want nobody clocking me. It's not that serious. I just will make good choices. There's so many good eye products out right now. Let's see. One of the ones that I have that I love is the mini palettes from NARS. There are several of them. The one that I have is the Ignite palette, and then I also have the Nude palette. They're gorgeous. They're about 49 bucks. I would definitely say check those out. I also have my eye on the Marc Jacobs Beauty Iconic multi-finish eyeshadow palette. I'm looking in the color Edgy or Editorial, which has a really cool green and a yellow little combination happening. I'm looking at the Natasha Denona Biba palette. That one, ooh, that palette is gorgeous, but that sucker is $125, so I'm gonna need 20% off of that. And then I'm also looking, let me just double check. And then I'm also looking at one of the liners, the stiletto liners. I think that either is part of Nikki Tutorial's group plan or is somehow related. Anyways, and it's a very thin pencil and it's in a blue shade it's called Stiletto, like stiletto. It's really cool. It's a light blue and it's a nice pop of color, so I'm excited about that. I'm actually going to focus mostly on bronzers for my eye color. I'm going to start out with the Becca bronzer in Ipanema Sun, and if you haven't tried the Becca bronzers for, well, honestly for anything, but especially for your face, they are lovely. The next color I'm going to grab is actually another contour color. This is from the Cover FX palette. This is a limited edition palette. It came in the Boxy Charm box just before the festival season. Going with the Dose of Colors Desi Times Katie Chasing the Sun. So for highlighters, highlighters and bronzers, I actually have my eyes on the new Fenty Kilowatts and the Sun Stalker bronzers. Do I have more bronzers than I need? Yes, but makeup is not really, it's not really about need. I am interested in those bronzers. The Sun Stalker bronzer in Coconati and Mocha Mami look like the two, or one of them. I probably only need one that will be best for my skin tone. Except for the eyes, I'm gonna go in with my black liner. This is from Maybelline. I mean, I don't have any mascara products or liner products that are new to me that I'm gonna call out. I will say that the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes, the NARS Climax Mascara, and the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara are literally some of the most beautiful things I think that have come out in the mascara game in a long time. I'm gonna switch up to my Dose of Colors because I want, I'll use this for my waterline, but I'm gonna switch to my Dose of Colors real quick because this is more difficult than it has to. Going in with my Dose of Colors Shady Liner. Man, I wish Anna's stuff was available at Sephora because me and Dose, we got a love affair happening. Tell you that right now. I'm connecting it to this outer wing also. I'm going to use the angle brush to drag them up together. And using just any old black. This one is actually from the Colored Rain palette, who I hope will be in Sephora soon. I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line with the deep gray from in the color Monarch. I mean, I don't look at this side and then look at that side. Like that's wow. You do need to be careful though because it's really pigmented. And if you're not careful, always start at the base. If you're not careful, it can clump. That is the only thing that I don't like about this mascara. It will clump. The Too Faced blush in Peach My Cheeks, which I think is a really nice blush. I like the cream blushes right now, especially for a little bit of a glow. Do some highlight. I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors. I've already got it out. I just put it on my face. It just makes sense. It just makes sense. In the Desi Times Katie, Chasing the Sun. Yeah. But the other highlighter that I think that everybody needs to take some time and take a look at is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow powders. The latest one, Purple Haze, that Angel just put out is like, it's everything. And set. I'm going to go in with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, actually, instead of a full-blown setting spray. I really, really like this. And I think you should check it out if you haven't already checked it out. And it just gives your skin this really, really dope little glow, per the name. It's impressive. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. Let's see, what else is still on my list? Oh, the Power Bullets, the Huda Power Bullets. I want to try that. That might be it, folks. Yeah, there's so much fun stuff at Sephora right now that it's kind of hard not to just like go a little bit ham and, you know, get a whole bunch of pretty stuff. So I'm going to say to you, plan before you go and make good choices. This is the MAC Powder Kiss in Burning Love. Oh, pretty. I think I might even, I'm not going to do anything to my bottom lashes. I think I like them the way they are. All right. Oh, we look bronzy, but we look good. I think I need, yeah, I'm going to spray my chest with this glow situation. And then I'm going to go in with this powder brush and I'm going to buff it in. But then I'm also going to put on the back, no ashy elbows, no ashy elbows. I'm going to put some highlighter here too. Oh yeah, I'll be getting some that Sol de Janeiro. It's a body glitter, body glow. It's like the Fenty Body Lava, but it's a little bit different. I like the smell better. I might do Body Lava too, but right now I'm focusing on the Sol de Janeiro. It's called Glow Motions, so I'm excited about Glow Motions. Yeah, so that's it. You know, it's the shopping and the sale, and it's all super exciting. Of course, everything at the sale is available even when the sale is not on, but there's something about getting a little bit more. I know it's all marketing. I know you're not getting anything you couldn't normally get, but it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun. I think it's fun. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys decide to get. And more than anything else, if you get nothing, go ahead and just inspire yourself with what you have. You know, like I said, I'm in the middle of my no buy April 2019. I ain't got no new stuff. I just have my stuff and I'm excited about what I could buy, but I love that I can do a face like this with things that I already own and be super inspired by it. So go out, have fun, and most importantly, tell your friends, feel beautiful, and subscribe down below. Like, yeah, that's it. Ciao for now.